I hope you are doing great. So, a quick advice from us to you in case you are a farmer out there and you intend selling your fishes anytime soon. Please make sure you sort down all your fishes before you make sales. Over time, we notice that farmers don't sort down their fishes before they make sales. So imagine someone wanting to buy Milan sizes below 500 grams, and you have mixed fishes of 700, 800, 300 grams in the pond. Definitely they will pick all and pay same price for you, and you'll be the one losing at the end. So make sure you sort down your fishes before you make sales, so as to maximize profit and make it easier for the buyers to get their fishes and pay the right amount of fishes you are selling. So, okay, owner of this farm actually made proper sorting of these fishes. That has made it easier for us to make proper sales and maximize profit. So, that's that about that for today. If you love what we say, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. If you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.